Wondering what's new in the world of science and technology? Well, I'm Jeff Plitt, and this is what you need to know. In coronavirus news, researchers are increasingly turning to human waste samples from sewage treatment centers to sniff out clues about COVID-19. Imagine what that job interview is like. So, you're saying I'm gonna be waist deep in COVID poop for 10 hours a day? Pretty much. When can I start? Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to go contribute to a scientific study. Here's something scary. The Chinese government is testing a hypersonic jet engine able to reach anywhere on Earth within 2 hours. Hold on, does this mean that I can order my Chinese food directly from China now? Because if so, I'm in. This is wild. Robotics company Boston Dynamics released a robot dancing video that is both amazing and the stuff of nightmares. It's cute, it's scary, it's both. But I think we all know where this ends. Step Up 7, Judgment Day. In Florida, an Amazon delivery driver was caught on video peeing in front of someone's door. Luckily, it was easy to remove due to Amazon's generous return policy. The driver was fired and then immediately hired by UPS. Finally, Iowa meteorologist Katie Nicolau says if you lick icicles, you're basically eating bird poop. Hold on, if that's true, how come icicles have that nice tangy oh, that's what that is. Did I miss a memo? Do birds now crap icicles? And that's the end. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on What You Need to Know.